मैं आज जो कर्नाटक सरकार ने जो निर्णय लिया है, रिलीजन आधारित, धर्म आधारित अन्य जो वस्ती योजना है, हाउसिंग प्रोजेक्ट स्कीम्स, उस स्कीम में 15% रिजर्वेशन मुसलमानों को दिया है। बार बार सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये फैसला सुनाया है कि धर्म आधारित रिलीजन बेस्ड रिजर्वेशन इन एनी फॉर्म इट इज इलीगल, इट इज एंटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल, ये गैर संविधानीय है और संविधान विरोधी भी है।
You have to go by the population, no? If there is no population, how can you go? There is a lot of urban population and minorities are there. A lot of poor people are there in the minorities. That is why we decided to that we do them.
Basically, the ratio of population that is
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಇದೆ
increasing.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಳಿಸಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು urban population, housing have been vacant. Others we could not do. So ultimately they requested from 10%,
ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ.
You know, in every town, in some places there are 30%, 20%.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಣ್ಣ ನೀನಣ್ಣ
Some
ಬಂದಿರೋದು
section of the society is there.
ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡು.
So we decided that to add some more. In Bangalore also, I don't know whether you know, there are so many houses still that are vacant, to queue. That is a big problem. We have constructed and we have not given, they are not occupied. We just try in Mandya, on the left side. There are more than about 7, 8, 9 towers. No one has gone there. At least minorities are ready to go and occupy those buildings for 5, 6, 7 years. So we, the proposal and we are